And we got that's really good. What happened to your hand there?
I'm having a small problem tonight. It's all right.
That's it's gonna be all right. So I love your alternating reality. That's always really good.
Yes.
Now talk about alternating reality for us, because we got a presentation later. I don't want to give that away, but they can go to alternatingreality.com and find cool stuff.
They can find all sorts of Doctor Who stuff. We run one of the biggest Doctor Who toy stores in the state of Washington right now, and it's absolutely a lot of fun. A lot of people come visit us down at Emerald City Comic Con and all the other conventions. We do special orders if someone's trying to find something. We're doing just fine.
No, I like this. Keep that up there. Listen, can you grab anything with that hand? Hey, the other thing there. Oh, that's good. Good. Now I'll stick to the. All right. Hey, the other thing about this is that you also have made a lot of donations tonight with the drawing items, and we'll go over those a little bit more. The guys have been talking again. But I want to thank you personally in front of all of our fans here. Thank you for generously providing throughout the years, and I really appreciate your donations. And we know all the stuff you're doing online with us, which is really cool stuff. I guess maybe we should get back to the program, huh?
But I tell you what, KBTC, Doctor Who, best mix I've ever had. I've been here for almost the whole 25 years. Let's do this again tonight.
There we go. Let's do it. So you heard the word. Let's get back to the program. Oh, sorry. We're going back to William and Jeff. Sorry.
No more TV.